the Master Cashbook on Excel. Super fast, super easy. Brilliant idea. This is one Excel template that you will love to have and use. Super quick to generate any report you want from your cash book. How does it work? First of all, this is the report dashboard showing you some graphical presentation of your inflows and your outflows. By outflows, we mean all payments you make by cash or through the bank, and by inflow, we mean all monies received from sales or from any other source. Super easy, super fast, brilliant idea. You have your chart of accounts set up from fixed assets, cash and bank, receivables, payables, long-term liabilities, equity, revenue, direct costs, overhead costs, and you can easily set up this chart of accounts. We have links to the various account groups that you would want to set up on this template. Also, we have your chart of account summary where you can pick your account code and your posting code that you want to use to post. We also have the Master Cashbook. This is where you enter all your data, date, the details, the cash account you are paying from. You list all your banks, who you are paying to or receiving from, the voucher numbers if you have voucher documents in your office, and any external ref you want to also show. You can type the external refs and the amount. Just choose inflow or outflow and put the posting number. The posting number is generated from your account chart summary. You get your posting number, and once you do this, you are good to go. 9 cells to fill up for one transaction. Once you do that, we have your fixed asset report by month and by account names. We have your sales report by month and account names. We have direct cost by month and account name. We have your cash flow. This is a cash flows report for all the months from first month of the year till the 12th month of the year, and total inflows, total outflows, listing all the account heads, and also your cumulative balancing brought forward for all your cash balances for every month. It means that with this template, once you enter your data in your Master Cashbook sheet, you can generate your cash flow report for the whole year, month by month. This is super awesome, super easy to use, and the good thing is that once you enter your data into your Master Cashbook sheet, you have a GL. You have a GL. This is GL for bank loan, for computer accessories, for control account, for COVID-19 expenses, director's credit account, fuel and oil, furniture. You have GL, and it shows you the descriptions, the date, the PV number, and the cash or bank account it was paid for. Super awesome. And again, if you want to generate your cash books, we have this Fine Bank Limited. These are the transactions for the period. We have General Bank PLC. These are the transactions for the period, dates, details, account descriptions, and PV numbers and the amount. Any amount in negative shows that they are outflows, and the ones in positive are inflows. This is what you get when you purchase this Master Excel Cashbook. And finally, we have the dashboard. Remember this page? Yes, it shows you your expenses in a graph. Your monthly cash flow is shown here, month by month. Overhead costs, fixed assets, and direct costs. Your inflows are shown here. Your top 10 customers. You can see who is your highest customer, based on values of transactions you engage with that customer. If you come down here, you also see a table. This table is for this graph. Actually, it shows you the customers, amounts they've paid into your account for that period, and also you see the percentage to know the highest customer. Here you go, the Master Excel Cashbook. All you need to do is set up your account chart and also enter your data. Alright, we have help videos for each and every of these sheets. Get these templates and work smarter, faster, and make your work life very, very easy. simple to use, easy setup, no issues. The template is good to go, built with Excel formulas and pivot tables. You have all you need in one place. Once you enter your data, the template generates unique and dynamic reports for you. Get this template and you'll be glad you did.